When in Thailand, there comes a time when you need to have some laundry service done. Most hotels provide this service. It is very convenient. Drop off the laundry in the morning and chances are it'll be delivered to your room the next day. On the other hand, there are many businesses in the community that can also do your laundry. Chances are that it's in walking distance from your hotel. However, it may not be as convenient as a hotel. One must deliver to the shop and pick it up the next day. I'll show you Thailand and you can see it too. Just click on the subscribe button. It's free and you'll see all of my videos.
In Thailand.
Rates vary among the local shops. Some charge by the weight, while others charge by the piece. Okay, let's see. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 shirts, t-shirts. 1 elephant pants. 1, 2, 3 shorts, and a pair of socks. Price of the hotel laundry list is as follows. Shirt 6 times 90, shorts 3 times 100, trousers 1 times 180, and a pair of socks 1 times 50, for a total of 1,070 baht. I paid 150 baht at the local shop about 100 yards away. Now, do you want to pay 1,070 baht for the convenience or 150 bahts to walk about 100 yards? You decide.